Hey guys, so today I'm going to be unboxing my iPhone 7 Plus squishy case. Yes, I know it sounds funny, squishy. But that's the name that it was there on the website when I was going to order it. And yes, this came from China and I bought this for $8 on Amazon. Pretty cheap. And yeah, I just got it because I thought it was so adorable. And yeah, and it looks silly. Yeah. So yeah, I already opened it just a little bit here because I wanted for it to be more easier while and I was recording. So yeah, I haven't seen it yet, so I just opened it and just started recording. So yeah, it's a lot more easier. Let's just take it out. Okay, this is kind of okay. Let's turn it. Are you guys ready? Okay, there it is. Oh, I don't know what to say. Okay, wow. Let's put this to the side. And let's just get to the case. Oh, kidding me. Oh, there. Wow. Let's just get it out. Somehow. Stupid plastic. I hate you. Can I get it out like this? Oh. Wait, is it coming out? Yeah, it's coming out. Oh, there. Oh, wait. Okay, no. There it is. Oh, look at the little kitties. They're so cute. Okay, this is just paper. I'm just gonna leave it there. And now, time to do this. Yes, I really want to do it. Okay, there. Oh, oh, it's so squishy. Oh, it's squishy. 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 Oh, sorry about that. I got a little bit too excited. Oh, this was really nice. Sorry. Oh. Well, I think you're a girl. So I'm gonna name you Mimi. Oh, sorry. So squishy. Oh, I like it. It's a really, really cute case. I like it. Now you can see it. That's little kitties. Really nice. So adorable. And of course, squishy. So yeah, that has been everything for right now. I hope you liked the video and that you also think the case is so adorable and squishy. So yeah, if you want to go and buy it on Amazon, you can just put iPhone 7 plus squishy case and I think it should appear. And yeah, well, that's all, and see you next time, and stay safe and stay strong. Don't give up. And bye bye.